So great morning guys, great morning you people. Today we're talking about one of the IIT mains 2019 problem in center of mass. So this is very important problem. So when you read this problem guys, so within a uniform rod of length of L, so L rod is there of length is bent at its midpoint as shown in diagram. Find the distance of center of mass from O. Suppose O is there. So this is the problem guys. I want to evaluate this problem. Let's see guys here. First of all, so let's see guys here. So theta is there. So this is the point. This is L by 2. This is the point. This is L by 2. So how? So clearly shows that length L is bent at its midpoint. So it breaks down into two equal parts. So first part is L by 2. Second part also guys L by 2. Now I want to find out the center of mass of this bending part. So L by 4 comma 0. So nothing but minus L by 4 comma 0. And this point also what guys? This point also L by 4. But the problem is that this is make an angle with the theta, which is the first half rod. So that is why we have to break down this one into compound resolutions. So I want to break down. So we draw a line here. So this become how much guys? This is theta. So this is theta. So this is theta guys. So this theta means what about this one? This is the plane angle. So what is the angle of this? 180 minus theta. So this is the theta. So it is become what? 180 minus theta. So now we have to make a compound resolution. So L by 4. This is L by 4 cos 180 minus theta. Can I call it as cos 180 minus theta? And this become L by 4 sin 180 minus theta. Sin 180 minus theta. So now let's see guys here the coordinates which is there on x-axis. On x-axis, what are the quadrants here? So we have one quadrant minus L by 4 comma 0. We know this one. I hope this is a coordinate system. This side is positive, this side is negative, this side is negative, that side is positive. I hope. So now on x-axis, so let's see the points which is located. Let us say first point. Let assume minus L by 4 comma 0 is the first point, and the second point on x-axis L by 4 cos 180 minus theta 180 minus theta comma 0. So we have 2 points here, no doubt. 2 points here, no doubt. And let's assume guys here, so mass of the rod is m, so it is bent down into two halves, so it become m by 2. This become also m by 2. So now mass you have it here, so mass is m by 2. So m by 2, which means m1, and same like this m2 is equal to m by 2. Now I want to find out xem. So I want to find out xem guys here. So what is the formula for xem? m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. So what is it guys? m1, just now we have the word m1. So m1 is equal to m by 2 into what is the first quadrant? Minus L by 4. So minus L by 4 plus we have m2 value with us, that is m2. Once again m2 into cos 180 minus theta by m1 plus m2. So m1 plus m2. m1 means m by 2, m2 also m by 2. So we have m by 2 into minus L by 4 plus m by 2 into cos 180 minus theta by m by 2 plus m by 2. So now we have to evaluate this one. What you have to get? So m by 2 I am making a common better. So m by 2 I am taking a common. So what is remaining here? Minus L by 4. So cos 180 minus theta guys. What is cos 180 minus theta? So cos 180 minus theta is the second quadrant. Second quadrant is sign is positive. Remaining all are negatives. So sign is positive. Because of that, cos 180 minus theta become minus. But which is there in x-axis, I hope. There is no change in the ratio. So cos remains cos only. So what you got guys? Cos theta. Cos theta by here also m by 2 I make it as a common. So what I have to get? 1 plus 1 I have to get. So m by 2 cancel. So finally what you have to get the result is that, so clearly it is also minus L by 4 minus cos theta. So here is that I hope this is L by 4 here. This is L by 4, no? Still L by 4 is there, I hope. Here also L by 4, L by 4 is there. And now it become what? So minus L by 4 taking a common better. So L by 4 I am taking a common. So minus is common out. So what is remaining here? 1 plus cos theta I hope by 2 is here. So minus 1 plus cos theta by 2. Now we have to evaluate what we get guys is minus L into 1 plus cos theta by 8 to get here. So 4 to 0 how much guys? 8. So this is axiom. So axiom is how much guys? Minus L into 1 plus cos theta by 8 will get. So this is axiom value. Now I want to evaluate YCM. So how to get YCM value? Let's look. I want to evaluate YCM value. So let's see guys here. Now we have to present on x-axis value. So on x-axis value we have to present here. So this is the way we have to get actually axiom. So next I will go through the y-axis values. Let's see guys here y-axis value. So y-axis value I want to evaluate. So let's go to the y-axis value. So on y-axis, so we have one point here, that is this is O, which means 0 comma 0 na. So this is O means 0 comma 0, no doubt. So we have one point on y-axis, that is 0 comma 0. Another point also there. What is the point guys? So 0 comma L by 4 sin 180 minus theta. Sin 180 minus theta. We have it sin 180 minus theta. So now I want to find out YCM. So I hope it is very simple guys. YCM is very simple. Why? Because it is 0 na. So m1 into, that is m by 2. So m by 2 into 0 plus m by 2 into L by 4 sin 180 minus theta by m by 2 plus m by 2. M by 2 plus m by 2. So what I have to get guys? M by 2 plus m by 2. I am common. M by 2 is a common. So it become what? L by 4 sin 180 minus theta guys. Once again, sin 180 minus theta, which is the second quadrant actually. Second quadrant sign is positive. So 180 is there remains. The ratio is same. So there is no change at all. So what you get finally? L by 4 sin theta. L by 4 sin theta by m by 2 by 1 plus 1. So m by 2 get cancelled. So ultimately what you get here? So L by 4 sin theta by 2, which means L sin theta by 8 will get. So this is YCM guys. So this is YCM. So according to the problem, what is your observation? According to the problem, the distance from, as shown in figure, the distance of center of mass from O is. So O is the point, this is the one, O is the point. Now we have a XCM and YCM and origin with us. So let's see how to find out the distance between O and XCM and YCM. So for that guys, what do you want here? So first one 0 comma 0. Second one what you get guys? Minus L by 8 cos theta plus 1. And what is the second? What is the YCM guys? Here just now you have to got L by 8 sin theta. So this is axiom and YCM. So this is axiom and this is what guys? YCM. So axiom and YCM. Now we have to find out distance formula. So we know that distance formula. So in mathematics, distance formula. So axiom square plus YCM square. Why? Because it is 0 0. One point is 0 0. So when one point is 0 0, no issue at all. So we make an L by 8 1 plus cos theta whole square plus L by 8 sin theta whole square. Very simple guys. Here I am taking L by 8 is a common. So root 2 of 1 plus cos theta whole square. So 1 plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta square theta. So what do you get guys? L by 8 root of 1 plus cos theta whole square means what? A plus b whole square. Apply the formula. So 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. We know in the trigonometry. So what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? What do you have to get? So is equal to L by 8 root of 1 plus 2 cos theta plus 1. So L by 8 root of 1 plus 1 how much guys? 2. So 2 plus 2 cos theta. So L by 8 root of, I am taking the 2 is a common, 1 plus cos theta. So we know guys in trigonometry one of the formula 1 plus cos theta. So what do you have to get? L by 8 into root of 2 into 1 plus cos theta, how much you get guys? 2 into cos theta by 2. 2 into cos square theta by 2. So cos square theta by 2. So what is the remaining? What you get? L by 8 into 2 is to 1 is 2 is taken out. Cos square theta by 2 means cos theta by 2. So 2 1 here, 2 4 here. So finally what you have to get the result? So result what you have to get guys? So finally you have to get the result. So L by 4 cos theta by 2. L by 4 cos theta by 2. This is the answer for this question. So thank you guys.